We won the Team Award at the WasteSorted Awards 2025. When sustainability started in health services, it sort of was tacked on at the end as a nice to do rather than a must do. But what we're seeing in our ward is a transformation of where it's held. You know, it's part of our duty of care. We have to take responsibility and we have to reduce that harm, so we are doing our job justice.
When they go about their daily work, there's something in there that's just going, is there a better way to do this? Is there a way I can reduce the use of this?
One of the projects we initiated was the Think Before You Bluey campaign.
So the guys managed to reduce the use of the blueys by 56%.
They're just a plastic backing absorbable pad, and so all of that would just go in the bin. And as a result of that being so successful, we've swapped out to greenies, which are a biodegradable alternative. Every time you used to give a patient their medications, and that could happen several times a day, it would be administered in this little plastic pill cup that just went straight in the bin. So we spoke to the product liaison person and we sourced out paper ones.
Which has saved over 800,000 pieces of plastic in South Metro area health every year.
We've done a linen reduction campaign looking at the water waste or the waste of
Last
water.
month we used least linen ever.
Which is phenomenal.
We were struggling to keep track of all the projects and ideas that we had, so we created the sustainability tree just to visually represent how many projects we had achieved or some of the ideas we didn't want to lose and some of the projects that were ongoing. So we do a fortnightly sustainability huddle, and I think this has been the single most important thing that has kept on driving the team. You know, they belong to a team who are collectively committed to this.